Oh, g'day guys, you just caught me having a bit of a stroll around the grounds during self-isolation. I hope you're all staying well and safe here. Now, in all seriousness, I've got a great recipe here for using up all your greens, and it's a great way of getting greens into the kids. Also got a recipe in here for some super good chili sauce that's just for the grown-ups. Let's see how the recipe's done. You guys stay safe.
Get your hands on some veggies and a little bit of ginger. Roughly chop them up and then blitz them in a food processor. Heat a pan over a high heat, drizzle a tablespoon or two of oil in and add the veggies. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes and remove and allow to cool. To make the chili vinegar sauce, finely chop the garlic. Add to a bowl with the Sichuan peppercorns, soy and vinegar. Finally chop the basil or chives or coriander. Add to the mixture. Add dried or fresh chili into your liking. Heat a pan over a high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut oil or olive oil into the pan. As soon as it's smoking, pop it in with the mixture. Stir, set aside and allow to cool. Take some dumpling wrappers, remove them from the packet. Add a teaspoon of mixture into the dumpling and fold them as I am here. Repeat for the rest of the mixture. Heat a large non-stick pan with a lid over a load of medium heat and arrange all the dumplings in there. While the dumplings are cooking, slice the onion. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes or until the bottom of the dumplings are starting to brown, and then add 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of water in and pop on the lid. Once the water's totally evaporated and the bottom of the dumplings are really crispy, you can add in the sliced spring onion. The dumplings will take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. Arrange the hot crispy dumplings in your serving plates, adding chili sauce to the parents and give the kids a little bit of soy on the side.